we have a mock-up here with Plex so you can see what's going on, as to what we'll do with a specialty tool that is on the market today for drilling baseboard without having to pull it. This particular one drills in and up, as you see, and it will come up through the baseboard, or go through the baseboard and come up in the center of the plate below, so you can run your wire in the wall. Okay, now along with the fish wire to do it. Now let's take the carpet up, let's prepare this one and get ready to go. Okay, we take our needle nose and pull up the carpet. And the pad. Now, we take our unit and set him in. So now we're going to have to cut out a chunk of tack strip. So we'll mark it. Okay, then, using a hammer and chisel, which we have with us, next tools it takes, where our marks are, we cut out a chunk of baseboard. Okay, now that we have our tack strip out, we'll discard that. We have no longer a need for it. Then we take this guy and put him up. Now, you know, before we drill this one, you're not going to be able to see it because of this particular set and the way it's set up, because the baseboard's going to hide it. So at this point, let's take this unit to a close mock-up model so you can actually see what happens. Then we'll come back and drill the hole. Now that we have our little mock-up model, as you can see, we have our molding in here on the inside, as well as our drywall. In here we have our plate and the drywall on the back and or our wall back there. So here's your cavity we're going to be coming up through. Now this particular tool we'll set up against the wall. As you notice, we cut our tack strip out over there, so we're deadly against the base. This one will go in and up as its object, and what causes it to do this is it's already in an upward position. Okay, so as we come up, it already starts as our drill motor starts. Then it starts up. Then it goes straight through the drywall until it hits the plate, and the plate causes it to walk on up. Okay, now let's put our drill motor on and let's run some holes and show you how it works. Okay? All right. Now, here we go for our first one. Okay, as you can see, it come up right inside of the drywall. Now, clean your hole a couple of times. It's important to get the stuff out of it. Now let's go on over so we see its repeatability. Here we're going to be in a knot. Make it even tougher. Okay, and again, we clean our hole. Now let's move on down. Pull it out, move on down. And all the time you're doing this, always keep your drill motor in forward position. Never put it in reverse. Because if you do, you could unwind the cable that's on here, okay, and ruin your drill bit. So now let's drill another one. And you'll see its repeatability. Okay, and as you see back in there exactly what it is. Keep in mind, clean the hole. Pull it out. Go again. Okay, and again, clean the hole. Okay, now that we see what it does, let's go back now and drill a real hole with it and run our wire.